Every day, we trust cleaning products to sanitize our homes and protect our families. However, many of these products contain hidden dangers that can harm our health and the environment. From respiratory issues to hormonal imbalances, the chemicals in conventional cleaning supplies pose risks that are often overlooked. It's time to uncover these hidden perils and explore safer alternatives. So stick around till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video that can transform your everyday routine. Many household cleaning products contain volatile organic compounds, VOCs, which can evaporate into the air and harm respiratory health. Common culprits include ammonia, chlorine bleach, and phthalates. Ammonia, found in glass and oven cleaners, can irritate the eyes and respiratory tract. Chlorine bleach is corrosive and can cause irritation to the skin, eyes, and lungs. Phthalates, often used to add fragrance, are endocrine disruptors linked to reproductive issues and developmental problems in children. The dangers of these chemicals extend beyond occasional irritation. Prolonged exposure can lead to chronic respiratory conditions, skin sensitivities, and even cancer. For instance, formaldehyde, a known carcinogen, is sometimes used as a preservative in cleaning products. Repeated exposure has been linked to an increased risk of cancers, particularly nasopharyngeal cancer and leukemia. Children are especially vulnerable to the harmful effects of cleaning chemicals. Their developing bodies are more susceptible to toxins, and exposure can lead to developmental delays, respiratory issues, and behavioral problems. Pregnant women are also at risk, as certain chemicals can cross the placenta and affect fetal development. It's crucial to choose cleaning products that are safe for all family members. The impact of toxic cleaning products extends beyond human health. Many of these chemicals can harm the environment when they enter waterways, affecting aquatic life and ecosystems. Additionally, the production and disposal of conventional cleaning products contribute to pollution and resource depletion. Opting for eco-friendly alternatives can help reduce your environmental footprint. Transitioning to eco-friendly cleaning products can significantly reduce exposure to harmful chemicals. Look for products labeled fragrance-free, paraben-free, and phthalate-free. Natural ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice can be effective and non-toxic alternatives. Additionally, using biodegradable sponges and reusable cloths can minimize environmental impact. Creating your own cleaning solutions can be both cost-effective and safer. For example, a mixture of vinegar and water can clean glass surfaces, while baking soda can be used as a gentle abrasive for scrubbing. These homemade solutions are free from harmful chemicals and are often just as effective as commercial cleaners. Even with safer products, proper ventilation is crucial. Always ensure that cleaning areas are well ventilated by opening windows and doors. This helps disperse any residual fumes and reduces the concentration of airborne chemicals, safeguarding your respiratory health. Many cleaning products contain hidden chemicals that are not immediately apparent. It's essential to read labels carefully and be aware of ingredients that may pose health risks. Look for products with clear labeling and certifications that indicate they are free from harmful chemicals. Being informed empowers you to make safer choices for your home and family. Are you ready to ditch the toxic stuff and start cleaning in a way that's actually good for your health, your family, and the planet? Then don't just stop here. Take action today. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on powerful, eye-opening tips that help you transform your home into a safe, sparkling space. Click the link in the description to get our 100% free Top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. Bonus: you'll also get access to our free community made for women. This isn't just another group, it's your tribe of women who care about living clean, living smart, and lifting each other up. Link in the description to join us on School and grab your checklist. Let's clean with confidence. Let's clean with purpose. Let's clean together.